Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ima Talk Updates, and in this video I want to show you how you can schedule your post on Facebook. Alright, so that it will not really stress you after creating your post. Just schedule so that it will be dropping by itself one by one. Alright guys, so to start that, you just have to click on the login here, as you can see on the left hand side, sorry, the right hand side, the login there. For this website you have to go to business.facebook.com. all right, so when I do that, I'm just going to sign in with my Facebook credentials. You have to stay to the end of this video so that you will not miss a step on everything I'll show you now. So I just log in with my credentials. So from here I'm going to select my Facebook page. All right, I have more than one Facebook page here, so I just want to pick the one I want to use for this tutorial. So I'm picking Brand Freaker, right? So I just selected Brand Freaker. All right, it's going to load. So when it loads, all I have to do is just to go to the planner. There's a content planner at the left bar. So that is what I will locate so that I can schedule my post. The reason people schedule posts is just in case they might not have the time to design, so they will just design in bulk and then schedule. So when you click on that planner, you come to schedule here, you click on schedule. All right, so from schedule you click on schedule post. So when you click on schedule post, it's going to load and bring out like a content calendar for you. So you have to choose the day, the date, the time that you want the post to just drop on your page. All right, so I just leave it at default, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to locate where I can click on the photos. This is where I can add pictures. All right, but first of all, let's add some text to the post. So I'm not going to add pictures for the sake of this tutorial. I want it very short. I don't want it to be up to 3 minutes. So I'll just type the schedule post, right? So that's how it's going to appear on the right hand side. And then the next thing is you can add your pictures. All right, so after adding your pictures, the next thing you do, you come down and click on schedule. All right guys, that's all for this tutorial, and do subscribe and come back for more. Thank you.